In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to lock your Exodus app. To do this, you have a few options. The first one is by enabling auto lock. Go to your security settings within the Exodus app and enable the auto lock feature by setting the desired inactivity time, e.g. 5 minutes or 10 minutes. After the specified inactivity period, your Exodus wallet will automatically lock, requiring your password or biometric authentication to unlock. The second method is by using a manual lock. Look for a lock icon or toggle within the Exodus app, usually at the top right corner. Click or tap the lock. This will immediately lock your wallet, requiring your password or biometric authentication to unlock. Always prioritize security by enabling and utilizing the lock features in your Exodus app. This helps protect your cryptocurrency's assets from unauthorized access. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.